Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me, a person who has a problem with a Chevrolet 1.6 gasoline and is throwing a lot of smoke out of the exhaust, and they have said that it could be brake fluid. And asks, let's see if this is possible. Yes, it is perfectly possible. I'll explain to you the way that the brake fluid reaches the intake and that it burns in a combustion chamber, producing smoke. It is that the master cylinder is leaking through one of the joints, that it has degraded, then it would go to the brake booster, and in this car the vacuum is produced with the lowering of the piston. This engine does not have a vacuum pump, which, since there is brake fluid in the booster, through the hose through which the vacuum arrives, for the brake booster to work, where it should only suck air, brake fluid would enter, passing through the hose that goes from the booster to the intake manifold. And there it would end up passing to the cylinders. It would burn and produce that black smoke. You would also see that the brake fluid would decrease. Okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.